Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off animated video thumbnails for video recordings and meetings stored in your Loom account or video library. So let us get started. So guys, for this method, navigate to your Loom account. What you want to do here in the web application is navigate to the video library on the left hand side, select videos here and click into the video or recording below. That is going to redirect you to the video editor here inside your Loom account. So what you want to do here is switch from the Edit tab on the right hand side to the Settings tab here. And here guys, you may disable the animated thumbnail there, which is usually an automatic GIF thumbnail. And usually whenever you have this enabled, for example, if you hover your mouse over it in a space here on Loom, or when you share it anywhere, you will see an animated thumbnail. So you can disable that and make the thumbnail a still image, set it as default, or save that setting by clicking into this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.